Hi everyone, I'm Rob, and this is my video entry for the 2x4 the 30-day almost Christmas, the 2017 Gatton Christmas Challenge.
I figured I would show the finished project now, so you don't have to watch the entire video just to see the final version. The size is 22 inches by 15 inches. It's red wood with Danish oil and polyurethane on top. I customized the project by putting my kids' names and their school logos on the stockings. Our daughter Kaylee went to University of Arizona, and our son Josh went to Arizona State. They're big rival schools, so you could say we're a house divided. I also added the Merry Christmas text at the bottom. At the beginning of the video, I joked about this being part of the 2x4 challenge. In truth, that's closer than you might think. I started with a redwood 2x6 by 8 foot plank. I cut it in 2-foot chunks, cleaned up the edges, then glued it back up into one bigger piece. I went out and purchased the 3D file on eBay. I'm normally pretty cheap, but I figured I could handle the $2 for the 3D file. In the past, all my 3D cuts have been done with an 8-inch ball nose, and they turned out really well. This time I wanted to try a 1/16 ball nose and see if it came out with a higher definition. Note that the shape height is a little over 1 1/8 inches thick. I originally tried this with a piece of wood that was 0.85 inches thick and a shape height of 0.7. I wasn't happy with that original result. I felt I needed to have more depth to get better definition, so I went to the 2x6 to get a thicker piece of wood as a starting point, and then I was able to use a much deeper shape height. Because my final pass was deeper than the length of my finishing bit, I had to make a border around the shape and take out some extra wood during the roughing pass. Note how the collet nut is below the top layer of wood. If I didn't take out the extra bit of wood, it would have crashed into the wood around the project. Here is a screenshot where I took the extra wood out so the collet would not crash into the top layer of wood. Here is some of the roughing pass. It's just a plain old 1/4 inch end mill. This is the finishing pass. The bit is a 1/16 inch tapered ball nose. In the end, I think the 1/16 inch bit was a bit of an overkill. I could have had just as good a finish with an 1/8 inch ball nose. My step over is set at 6%, which is also an overkill. The step over comes out to 7.5 thousandths inch per pass. This project is a little over 15 inches tall, so that works out so the 7.5 thousandths per inch pass will take a little over 2,000 passes to complete the project. It took about 9 hours for that step. This is the step where I'm V-carving the school logos and names onto these stockings. And a few more shots while it's still clamped down to the CNC. And here's another final shot of the final version. It will be hanging on our wall for many Christmases to come. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.